Okay, report as of December 10, 2013. Arnold's made a cabinet, as you can see, for the what's the name of this room? The room with the sink, basically. Acts as a pedestal to carry the sink. You can see he's made that, and he's made one for the. This is the third unit. Okay. We've put I've had an idea to put steel mesh manhole covers here, so it's very illuminated below. We're going to basically use a stainless version of this metal. There's a stainless version of this, and I'll stick that here, so it's illuminated. Willie's been laying out the electric. This is the layout. Ceiling fan and pin lights. Eric and Bernard have been, obviously apart from being a terraced, see this is the revised terrace. Basically, what they done was they removed this bit from here, remove it from there, and they're going to transfer it. They're going to transfer it, because it was here before. It was here, if you remember, it was here. So when we cut it, they're going to transfer it here. So it's like a U shape, because the roofs overlap also, it has to be like this. So yeah, look, see. We're going to put it, transfer it here. Ben's been doing the plumbing. So here. So it's going to look nice. Eric and Bernard have also been preparing all the formworks, because we're going to cement here. If you can see this. I'll go down, I think it's more easier. I'll go down. You can see it better. Gabby's been painting, the painter's been painting, plastering the ceiling. For the units. And I was also repair the tables for the sewing machines, because they were getting a lot more being repaired. Okay. Putting formworks so we can pour cement here. Very warm, look. As you can see that, so you can pour cement inside. Concrete reinforced beams, or steel reinforced concrete. Pumping the water out, because it's been digging a lot of water. Because it's below the water line when you're digging to put the columns, because the columns are done now, finished for all the units except for the front one. See, they've all been done. See, they're all finished already. The only remaining one to do is the ones for the front. It's been tiling again. Gabby's been painting the units. I'll show you. All these have been finished, by the way, for the other units. Kumusta ang pintura? Good, good, good. Who's that good-looking guy? Who's that good-looking guy there? Right? Wow. So yeah, progress report. A lot of things done, and I need money basically for the for this, the flooring for this terrace, and also so that we can for the footing of these 3 columns. The reason why we need to board it up, we need to concrete slab this first floor is, as I mentioned before, we have a lot of stuff that we need to remove from the unit in order for us to rent it out. I'll show you. If you look, a lot of stuff is here. Look, all this little construction stuff. Look. See here? Look at all the old windows. All the old windows are here. Look. Well, before we're here, look. All this stuff needs to be transferred somebody. All this old windows. All these old windows need to be transferred. And obviously the sewing machines. And then obviously table saw, rings. You can't really see it, it's dark. Table saw, rings, cement, sand. They need to be put somewhere, and obviously we can't put them in the unit. So this unit is full also with stuff. Oh, look at this. Let me see. And this unit is also full of stuff. Oh, construction and stuff. So basically, yeah, the reason why I wanted to slab the first floor of the other side is so that if there's a slab here, the ground floor is now waterproof. We can store sand, cement, cement mixer. We can mix the cement there. But there's nowhere else to put it. Where are we going to put it? The driveway is occupied. I want to park my car here. Look, there's no space. So I need to slab the first floor, yes, as I mentioned before a million times, so that we can store all the stuff inside. So that all the stuff on all these units, all the construction junk and materials, we can transfer there, so that we can rent that out. So now you know. That's it. Take a picture of the front. See, look, all the columns and beams are finished except for the ones at the front, which we're doing now, but I need money.